ready to transform static images into dynamic videos that grab attention. First, head over to Pollo AI's website. The link is in the description below. Click on the Sign Up button to create a free account or log in if you're already registered. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Pollo AI Dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Locate and click on the Create New Video button to start a new project. Now, upload the images you want to include in your video. Make sure they are high quality for best results. Pollo AI offers a variety of templates. Select one that matches your video's theme and style. Add text overlays, captions, and titles to your images to tell your story effectively. Choose background music from Pollo AI's library or upload your own to set the mood. Preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect before you finalize it. Once you're satisfied, click the download button to save your awesome new video. Don't forget to use #PolloAI #image to video when you share to show off the magic.